Hi everyone, it's Diana here. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things finance, business, real estate, and investing. I hope you guys are doing okay, you are safe, you are well. I know it's a tough time with COVID right now, but it's so important to stay healthy, take care of yourself. I hope you're using this time to try new and different things and just try to keep your sanity. But I can assure you, at the end of this dark tunnel, there is light, and we are nearing this light day by day. And when this is all over, I want you guys to take advantage of all the opportunities that are lining up in your favor. In this video, I want to address a really important topic, and this is for all of you out there that are trying to delve into the business field. You're trying to come up with an idea, a business idea specifically, and you're stuck. You don't know what to do, what kind of business idea you should come up with, and what will be successful. So I'm going to be helping you guys out, trying to figure that out, hopefully with this video. To explain what I am about to tell you, I am going to be pulling out a Venn diagram. Hold on, I know what you guys are thinking. Venn diagrams, oh my gosh. I know a lot of you guys have probably used them in second grade, comparing, I don't know, cats and dogs, and in high school, comparing prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. You know, all the things that don't really matter in business. But in this video, the Venn diagram I am going to show you will help you come up with a business idea. So for this Venn diagram, we are going to be using 3 overlapping circles. Listen, I'm not trying to overcomplicate things. I am actually trying to do the opposite and try to simplify this process for you. So I promise I will keep it simple with just a few words, and hopefully it makes sense to you. The first circle represents your passion. Obviously, anything that you do in life requires your passion for it. Obviously, your business idea has to embody a passion of yours. If you are not passionate about something, about your business, people will not be passionate about it either. Out of the 3, I really believe that this is the most important factor that you should be considering when you are trying to come up with a business idea. Just think about it. There's so many businesses out there. There's big box stores like Walmart and Target, and there's other stores, of course, that are like very niche type of businesses. There's like surf shops, there's ice hockey supply stores, and things of that nature that really do bring in a big chunk of change. You will be surprised. So having said that, you don't need to be the next Walmart. Just do what you're passionate about, execute, and the money will come, I promise you. I have personally worked with a lot of niche businesses, and in terms of profit, I was surprised at how much of a profit they were turning. Much more than some other bigger businesses, as you would expect. So grab a paper and pencil and write down 20 business ideas that you are passionate about. I know what you're thinking. 20. Oh my gosh, that's a big number. However, I can assure you that's a lot better than writing down 5 or 10, because when you write down 5 or 10, you are really limiting yourself. You know, in the world of business, you cannot self-limit your passions. You have to have an open mind. So by writing down 20 business ideas, you are giving yourself some leeway. You are being open-minded, because sometimes when you think you're passionate about something, sometimes when you put your idea into full gear, you might realize that it's not right for you. So when you're doing this, try to pick the idea from your list of 20 that you think you are most passionate about. Then try to do some back end work and try to see, hey, is this right for me? And if it's not right for you, you move on. And it will help if you list your ideas from your most passionate to your least passionate, so you can easily move down the list one after the other. The second thing that you have to factor is your audience. So when I'm talking about audience, I am talking about your customers, your potential customers, people that are interested in your service or your product. Sometimes people execute business ideas without factoring their audience needs, their audience wants. For example, you have Jessica that has a business idea for a buffet. Jessica's audience is people that are hungry in her area. What is Jessica's audience's needs? This will require a little bit of research. I'll give you a kicker to this example. Jessica lives in a low-income neighborhood. So what does that mean? Jessica's audience or potential customers, they not only need food, they're hungry, but they also need food that is affordable. That is obviously a no-brainer. Jessica needs to come up with a business plan that offers delicious food at a low cost. If Jessica opens a fancy sushi and steak restaurant where a typical dish costs $70, do you think that her business is going to be successful? Will she have a big enough audience or a big enough customer basis for her business idea? Probably not. So when you are thinking of a business idea, really keep your audience, their needs and their wants in mind. Try to come up with a simple answer, but expand that to include your business's specific location, the demographics, and the culture of the people. Once you have done all of that, the last thing that you need to consider is the market. And I say the market because this includes the wider range of things that are going on in the world, in the country. These are things that are out of your control fully. So what does the market need? Going back to Jessica's example, opening up a buffet might not be the most brilliant idea in 2020. The market right now is not ready for it. The market is too focused on sanitary principles and trying not to get the virus in the midst of a pandemic. They are not worried about going to a buffet. But hey, let's say Jessica is really passionate about her business idea. She wants to get her business up and running. Okay, well, if you are also experiencing this with your business idea, then the next question you should ask yourself is, how can we fit into the market? How can my business fit into the market? How can our business mold into a successful endeavor within the market behaviors? So if you're like Jessica, you want to open a buffet in the midst of a pandemic, you need to ask yourself, what can I do? What are certain things that I can implement in my business to make people want to come? How can I get people to be willing to eat at a buffet even though they are fearful for their lives about a virus? How about this? How about offering top-notch sanitary service in your buffet? Or how about pre-packaging some of the meals and still offering it in a buffet type of style so people still get the joy of picking out different foods and whatnot, but it's completely sealed. It's packaged up, so there's no worry of transferring virus. So obviously this is just an example, but it is so important that you do this. Instead of asking yourself, how can the market fit into your business idea, you have to ask yourself how your business idea can fit into the current market. There are so many projects, so many business ventures in 2020 that I had to personally reconstruct and extensively modify in order to fit the current market. So, to sum it up, once you have outlined your passions, your audience, and the market, the common denominator is not only the right business idea that you should go after, but it is the right way and it is the right timing that you should execute. Hey you guys, I hope this was helpful, and if you guys have any specific questions about your business idea or something that you are thinking about starting, anything business related, definitely ask me. Drop a comment down below and I will do my best to help you, to answer all of your questions. Thank you so much for watching. I am beyond blessed to be on this platform to teach you guys what I know about business, investing, real estate, and finance. And if any of those topics are of interest to you, then please consider subscribing. There will be more videos coming up. Till next time.